When you think of Armanov, you're probably thinking ammo checkers and reloading press, accessories, and parts, but they also have a complete line of pistol accessories. In this video, we're going to look at some of their pistol grips and one of their magazine base pads. Hey guys, Gavin Gear here from UltimateReloader.com. That's right, Armanov makes pistol accessories, and like all of the other Armanov products that we've tried, they're extremely high quality. What I've got here is a selection of grips that they offer for the 1911 and then also this base pad. There's multiple types. This one happens to be for the Glock and is also from their EDC line, which has some specific features that we'll get into. Okay, so in terms of pistol accessories, Armanov makes these accessories for pistols such as CZ, Canic, Glock, SIG, and the 1911. And what I thought I'd do is take my Hogue overmolded grips, which suit my large hands, and swap those out for these large variety 1911 textured grips. This is a part of their Spid Ergo line, and these are available in both medium and large, depends on the size of your palm swell and the length of your hand. They actually have a handy guide on the website that you can use to determine which ones you're going to need. So a long time ago, I put these Hogue overmolded grips on my 1911 because the stock grips just felt too thin. And so I'm really excited to see how these large size Armanov grips are going to work. Let's check to make sure that we're safe here. Looks like we are. Okay, got my 3/32 Allen screws here. Hopefully, it looks like these are going to work. We will see in just a second here. 4 of those guys. You gotta love the 1911. The trigger just has its own unique dynamics. Okay. This should just slip right off if memory serves me. Correct. Okay. So, let's see. And these are asymmetric. If you look at the profile on each of these, they're actually different. You can see here how the hand comes together. They're designed to ergonomically fit your hand in that sort of unique contour that your hands make when they come together gripping a pistol. Not a problem. I'm liking that. Okay, grip number 1 is on. Everything is fitting absolutely perfect. So one thing I've noticed about Armanov is, you know, for example, their ammo checkers, just really exceptional machine work on those. Really nice surface finish. Really well-made gear. And the anodizing on this looks top-notch. No rough edges, just super high quality parts. Look at that. That didn't take long, did that? That looks pretty cool. Okay. Just do a little dry fire here. That grips exceptionally well. If you're looking for a grip that will help you maintain a grasp of the pistol and maintain control, I think that's going to do the job nicely. Okay, next let's take a look at this Glock 17 magazine base pad. So this is my Glock 17. You've seen it on the channel a number of times. It has some modifications, nothing that's going to affect what we're doing here. So I've got a Pro Mag 17 rounder. Should be the same process here. Make sure that we're safe. That looks good. Okay. So this is the EDC line number 3 magazine base pad, and that's going to work for Glock 17, 19, and 34. And then I have some number 2s here. Those are going to work with SIG P226, Canic TP9, including the TP9 SFX, which is cool. I have one of those. And Beretta 92/98, which I also have a 92FS. We'll focus on this Glock EDC line base pad number 3. So there's just 2 parts here. We've got the actual base pad, and then we've got this special clip. And if you look at the packaging, right inside the sort of tag is instructions, which is super handy. And for Glock, to remove the magazine, you can see there's a button here that does need to be pressed, but there's also little kind of plastic clips on the side. And the easiest way I've found to get this off is basically to compress the sides just a little bit. Don't want to go crazy on that. Push the button in and then just push the pad there. That disengaged both the button and the sides. Then make sure that we have contents under pressure. We don't lose track of that and let things fly, because they will. Okay, and so this is where the instructions come in handy. We're going to orient our magazine just like it is in the picture, and this flange here needs to be pointing towards the back where the loaded round indicator is. So we're going to end up like that, and there's a little clip here that's going to go and follow the spring until things are oriented correctly, just like that. Now we're going to take this groove slot there, line everything up while compressing it together. There we go. Okay, so it's settled in place. That's nice. Look at that. Okay, and so we've gone from 17 rounds capacity now to 19 rounds capacity. Pretty cool. So if you're looking for more capacity and for EDC features, nice rugged aluminum construction, carbide spike for breaking whatever, windows and what have you, that looks like a real winner. But the real test is when we go and fire these pistols. Okay, so 1911 first. I loaded a mag of 8 rounds here. And this is, I think, 230 grain ammo with berries, the hollow points. See if I can actually hit the target here. Nice. Oh. All right. 7 out of 8. That isn't too bad. I really like the feel of the way that this swells to fit the palm. And then you can see how the fingers come over and meet up with this other feature on the other side. So ergonomics on that are going to work out well. Next, I'm going to load up this 19 round mag now. All right, we'll scoot that 45 ACP ammo aside here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, that's our old capacity there. 18 and 19. Well, they definitely fit. Will 20 fit? Oh, 20. All right, well, let's try it with 20. Why not? Okay, now on to Glock, which is totally different than 1911, right? Oh! Okay, so I missed once each time, and that means The hit probability is about twice as high on the Glock. Don't take that as gospel. I do shoot Glocks a lot more. Totally fun in either case. Well, I think the most important thing is I'm having fun. I don't shoot pistols a whole lot. As you guys know, I do a lot of precision rifle, a lot of bolt action stuff here on the channel. So it's really fun to get these guns out, and it's really fun to shoot something as different as a 1911 and a Glock 17 back to back. Here's my question for you is, which rig would you rather shoot? And are you using Armanov pistol accessories? If so, what pistol, what accessory? You know, what kind of shooting are you doing, whether it be just plinking or competitive shooting, that sort of thing. Drop a comment and we'll start that discussion. And don't forget, if you click on that first link in the video description, we'll have a more comprehensive list of all of the different pistols, all of the different products where Armanov makes pistol accessories. Cool stuff. Thank you for watching. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, we're on Facebook, YouTube, Rumble, where we've got unrestricted content, and Instagram. Make sure to follow us on all those channels. Ultimate Reloader also has a commercial solutions division serving law enforcement, the military, and the gun industry. We have some unique capabilities, including a comprehensive suite of recoil testing and evaluation capabilities, trigger profiling, and more. If you're interested in custom rifles like what we build here on the channel or gunsmithing services, you're going to want to go to rifles.ultimatereloader.com and get on the wait list. If you want to learn lucrative gunsmithing like what I show here on the channel, including building custom rifles and Cerakote plus a whole bunch more, you're going to want to check out the Colorado School of Trades, schooloftrades.edu. Thanks again for watching.